Hi! From the last video that I cooked stir-fry pork belly, I used the same pan and put on high heat. I used the pork oil that I have saved from fried pork belly. It smells so good. So I put a little bit on the pan and then wait until it's hot. I have prepared cauliflower and green bean. I put it in a hot pan and stir it. Keep stirring until your vegetable and oil mix together. Now I think I'm going about to add a little bit more oil in. Because sometimes when your vegetable look dry, it looks like it's not cooked. Now I'm going to add some water just because I want my vegetable to be cooked. And it's easy when you put some soy sauce or salt while you put water. It can mix easily. For me, I just gonna add soy sauce in it, just a little bit. And then mix it up. It depends how you like your vegetable. If you like it soft, you can cook it even longer. Now I'm ready to eat my vegetable. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.